ICATT stands for the Industry Consortium for Advanced Technical Training, and that consortium is actually a very important aspect of what we do. Training programs are hard to set up, they can be expensive, they take a lot of time, but when companies work together in this consortium, they can pool resources, they can exchange the best practices, and work together so that everyone succeeds. The consortium approach that we've chosen enables us to offer this support at a much lower cost to all the companies than it would be otherwise.
The ICATT apprenticeship program works very well for us. We started last year. We have our first apprentices in it. They're actually been very productive in what we're doing. They've got an urge, they want to learn, they want to develop. They're being accepted by the people here as well. They're not somebody we just hired. We have an ownership to train them and to educate them and to pass that on.
The fundamental idea behind the German dual education system is to make sure that the workforce is trained to succeed in a number of different areas. So if you're training to work on high-tech industrial machines, you'll be able to work on a machine that makes plastics, a machine that makes metal, and a machine that might make something else.
They became productive probably after the first 6 months. Once they got accustomed to it, accustomed to the machines, accustomed to the environment, then we saw what we could give them. We could give them tasks. One of the biggest things ICATT brings to us is the support for the program itself. One, in recruiting high school graduates to come and see us. They organize these visits, they coordinate the visits. ICATT work with us to make sure that our program is tied together with the college's program. They audit that program with us and they bring that level of seriousness.
For some companies, it's really the support that we give to develop that internal company training plan. Sometimes we even get into the level of, I need to train this skill, how do I train this skill? And we're there to support them at every step of the way.
So I've spoken to companies similar to us, suppliers to us, robots, welders, items like that, and I've proactively said to them that the ICATT program offers what they don't have today. It offers the opportunity to be able to train and educate high school kids to become associate engineers in what they're doing, and then ultimately to have those kids with the toolbox to progress them even further. I suggest that to my peers, that this is a program that works for us and it works for the industry, and to protect our industry in the automation and in the manufacturing. If we don't have these, the industry will die. The industry will stay where it is today, and we will struggle to be competitive.